1. Task Introduction. The Intelligent Manufacturing Production Line is an integrated control system that combines multiple technological fields, including CNC machining, PLC, robotics, sensors, pneumatics, industrial control networks, motor drive and control, and computer technology. Through this task, you will gain an understanding of the production line's composition and the role of each module within the system. 2. Learning objectives. Knowledge objectives. Understand the functions of an intelligent manufacturing production line. Understand the components of the production line and the functions of each module. Skill objective. Be able to clearly explain the structure and functions of the intelligent manufacturing production line. Caliber objectives. Develop a spirit of teamwork and collaboration. Strictly follow standards and norms, and develop a rigorous and scientific work attitude. Cultivate the habit of summarizing the training process and outcomes to gain experience for future training. 3. Guiding questions. What is the main function of the workstations in the intelligent manufacturing production line? The intelligent manufacturing production line uses the MES to control CNC machine tools, robots, automatic conveyors, AGVs, and material handling units. It enables production task management, real-time monitoring and control, quality management, material management, production scheduling and planning optimization, as well as production line monitoring and control, thereby ensuring that the entire production process proceeds in an orderly and controlled manner. What's the main function of the automated warehouse unit? The main function of the automated warehouse unit is to provide two major storage services for the system, supplying raw materials for workpiece processing and storing finished products. What are the components of the 6 Degree of Freedom 6DOF robot unit? Robotic arm. The primary structure of the 6DOF robot, usually consisting of 6 rotary DOFs and an end effector. Each DOF is driven by a motor, controlling the rotation and position of the arm. Control system, responsible for receiving and processing sensor data, calculating the arm's movement trajectory, and controlling motor operations to achieve precise robotic motion. Sensors. These sensors mainly collect information about the arm's current position and status, including position and angle measurements, as well as force and torque detection. What is the function of the Vision Inspection Unit? The main function of the Vision Inspection Unit is to check whether the workpiece meets required standards in terms of precision and appearance. What is an RFID system unit? The RFID system unit is a non-contact automatic identification system that uses radio frequency signals to automatically identify target objects. It records information about workpiece materials, processing paths, and enables product traceability management. The system consists of RFID tags and RFID reader-writer devices. What is the function of the AGV transport unit? The AGV transport unit uses robots to deliver processed parts or retrieve parts from specific racks in the warehouse. The AGV moves along planned routes to the loading and unloading stations, stops accurately, and automatically places parts into the station's buffer zone. A 4-axis robot then unloads the parts into the designated finished goods or raw materials sections of the automated warehouse. 4. Knowledge description. 1. Composition and functions of the intelligent manufacturing production line. 1. Workstation. 2. Circular conveyor. 3. CNC lathe. 4. 6-axis robot. 5. Vision inspection system. 6. CNC milling machine. 7. Robot control cabinet. 8. Air compressor. 9. Automated warehouse and 4-axis manipulator. 10. AGV. 1. Automated warehouse unit. The main functions of the automated warehouse unit are to supply raw materials for workpiece processing and to store finished products. It uses a three-tier racking system to store goods, with corresponding material handling equipment for inbound and outbound operations. 2. Circular Conveyor Line Unit. The circular conveyor line unit mainly consists of an aluminum alloy frame, a circular conveyor line, automatic guiding mechanisms, a variable frequency speed control system, and automatic positioning mechanisms. It enables the transportation of workpieces at different speeds and automatic positioning at various stations, significantly improving the efficiency of the automatic circular conveyor line. 3. CNC Lathe Processing Center Unit. The CNC Lathe Processing Center Unit is compact and occupies little floor space. It is used for machining the shaft parts of workpieces. It features an automatic door, an automatic clamping, a 4-station automatic tool turret, and a workpiece cooling system. It achieves unmanned DNC automatic machining, equipped with servo motors and an industrial-grade CNC system, ensuring high precision. 4. Vertical CNC Milling Machine Processing Unit. The Vertical CNC Milling Machine Processing Unit is used for engraving, CNC drilling, and CNC milling processes. It features an automatic door, an automatic clamping, and more, achieving unmanned DNC automatic machining. It is equipped with an industrial-grade CNC system, ensuring high precision. 5. 6DOF Robot Unit. The 6DOF Robot Unit consists of a 6-axis robot, gripping mechanisms, and pneumatic grippers. It primarily handles the picking and transferring of workpieces to various CNC processing units, AGV transport units, and the Vision Inspection Unit. 6. 4-axis Robot. The 4-axis robot is mainly responsible for the inbound and outbound operations of raw materials and the inbound handling of finished parts in the automated warehouse. It is a versatile manipulator capable of automatic control, repeatable programming, and multiple degrees of freedom, with its movement directions arranged in a spatial Cartesian coordinate relationship. It can transport objects and operate tools to perform various tasks. 7. Vision Inspection Unit. The main function of the inspection unit is to check whether the workpiece meets the required standards in terms of precision and appearance. It captures images of the workpieces using a camera, and the image processor evaluates whether the workpieces are qualified. Non-conforming workpieces are removed, while qualified workpieces are transferred to the next unit. Unqualified workpieces are directed to the waste bin. 8. RFID System Unit. The RFID System Unit is a non-contact automatic identification system that uses radio frequency signals to automatically identify target objects. It records information about workpiece materials and processing paths, enabling product traceability management. The system consists of RFID tags and RFID reader-writer devices. The tags are installed on the fixture plates where workpieces are placed, recording information about the parts on each plate. RFID reader-writer devices are mounted at each station that the fixture plates pass through. When a workpiece reaches a station, the system can identify its transport and processing path through the reader-writer. 9. AGV Transport Unit. The AGV Transport Unit uses robots to deliver processed parts or retrieve parts from specific racks in a warehouse. The AGV moves along planned routes to the loading and unloading stations, stops accurately, and automatically places parts into the station's buffer zone. A 4-axis robot then unloads the parts into the designated finished goods or raw materials sections of the automated warehouse. This realizes automated loading and unloading between line-side equipment and automated storage. The AGV Transport Unit uses laser communication sensors, ensuring fast and convenient signal transmission. The travel module is controlled by a PLC, with the AGV communicating via the PLC as well. The PLC sends task codes to the robot to achieve point-to-point control. For master control communication, the AGV communicates with the central PLC system. 10. PLC Workstation Unit. The unit adopts mainstream industrial automation PLCs, offering flexibility for expansion. It is equipped with a touchscreen and features IoT interfaces. Constructed with aluminum alloy profiles, it ensures secure and robust connections. 11. Master Console. The Master Console primarily consists of a single-phase grid voltage indicator, power control components, a control host, status indicator lights, a 10.4-inch industrial color touchscreen, an S7-315 host, and a computer. It primarily monitors the operating status of each substation, coordinates their operations, and integrates the industrial control network. It features a central power control system and a video surveillance system. Data from the production line can be collected and retrieved from the Master Console. The Master Console can be used for scheduling and allocating the functions of each module. The power control system implements separate management for high and low voltage power supplies. During standby, rest periods, and maintenance, high voltage power is required to be turned off, while the low voltage power for control circuits and signal light systems operates independently. 12. Parts transfer trays. These trays are used for the transportation and turnover of raw materials and finished products. They function in coordination with the RFID system, intelligent warehouse, and circular conveyor line. They enable functions of feeding, picking, transfer, and turnover, support intelligent operations and management, and allow for real-time collection of key data such as timestamps and responsible personnel at each stage. All data is gathered onto a unified information platform, maximizing the storage capacity for goods.